Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a rare opportunity we have. This is a 2022 certified pre-owned Boston Whaler 380 Helm. Let's take a look starting off in the cockpit. This boat is powered by Quad 300 Mercury Verados. These are the V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated engines. Great power for this boat, pushes it well over 50 miles an hour. This boat is an all-around do-everything boat. It's great comfort for the family. It can fish offshore. I can personally attest to that, and this is something that will be a great boat for a subsequent owner. One owner boat, only 160 hours, kept in a sea pen, meticulously maintained by an owner who has 7 boats between 17 and 112 feet between South Carolina, Tennessee, and Georgia. Full walkthrough along the transom. At the transom, we've got freshwater intake and an engine flush for those quad engines. Freshwater sprayer as you enter the cockpit door. 2 large pump out fish boxes on both sides. Huge system as access here that houses our generator and our seakeeper, among many other items. Very clean, well laid out. Everything is easy to access and maintain. Tables are also stowed in there that mount in the cockpit. We have reboarding steps on the starboard side and a teak finish. Teak steps and footrests throughout the seating in the cockpit. Port side swing and dive door, great for dragging in that big catch. Or if you're anchored out at the sandbar, you can throw in this anchor right there, and now you've got an easier way to get in and out of the boat, along with the stainless steel swing and handle. There's also another reboarding ladder back at the transom. You can see we've got the powered sure shade, keeping us out of the rain in this situation, but certainly will keep you out of the sun if you're hanging out or doing any fishing. This mezzanine seat allows you to have 2 rows of forward-facing seating. You can also create opposing seating here in the cockpit. Swivel this around, Colin. So I can drop a table in place here. I've got air conditioning vents here as well. TV set up just opposite the grill and the sink, and another observer seat here, and you have a great place to hang out, watch the game, have some drinks or a meal. If you want to sit facing aft, whether you're watching the kids play in the water or you're trolling and you're watching your lines, very comfortable place for someone to stretch out or a couple guys to sit here, watch your rods, be under the shade back in the cockpit, and have a good perspective of the water. These fish boxes do hold ice, so they'll keep your catch fresh, or they also make for additional cooler space. We've got an electric grill here, pull-out refrigerator here, storage, wet bar sink, Corian countertop with cup holders. Coming back at the helm, triple touch screens, 16-inch units from Raymarine, along with a 7-inch Mercury vessel view display. Our Seakeeper and VHF controls are above, along with a glove box. We've got weather curtains stored above the hardtop. You'll notice the hardtop is in the platinum gel coat to match the platinum painted hull. We've got skylight hatches as well. Upgraded sound system, JL Audio sound system throughout the boat with plenty of speakers, subwoofers, and amps. We've got a port side observer seat here. Great place to ride when you're running offshore. Got good ventilation with that wraparound windshield and the open sides. Powered windshield vent is above. 2 windshield wipers. We'll be making our way through the bow here shortly, but you can see you can easily close this off with gas assisted struts, and then a block off door that comes back this way. We'll check out the cabin as well. Another television down here, sink and refrigerator with a nice Corian countertop. Cabinet style storage. Distribution panels are nicely laid out. You can also start your generator from down here. Stand-up head with full-size mirror. Porcelain toilet, vessel sink, Nice teak fold down seat. And a pull out shower with a shower wand. This space is air conditioned as well. You can see we've got the table, high gloss teak table in a down position. So you can put a filler cushion over this, make this a nice comfortable bed. Good lighting as well over top with the skylight. We've got recessed storage with charging ports, rocker style switches for all of our lights and pumps at the dash, in addition to the digital switching you have throughout the Raymarine units. We've got storage along the gunnels for lines, shoes, things that you don't want to clutter up your deck. Making our way forward here. Huge lounge seating area with a powered table and a filler cushion that's currently in the down position. If you pan up top, you can see we've got open array radar, a spotlight, FLIR, track vision for the TV. Great place to hang out and ride up front, and a great all-around family and fishing boat. Again, my name is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any question about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.